Khiangte, can't you see me? Okay. I hope you can see me. Okay, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you after leaving our house for 2-3 weeks what happened to our house. I'm gonna show you one by one and I'm gonna clean it. Okay, as you can see, these all are my mustard garden. Now it started into a forest. I don't know why all our mustard gone. Only 2-3 weeks we left it, but can come zo si khola be cho ye bang ji chu ke po ham tam ji le mai thei min la le mai thei kha pui mo, but we are going to clean it. Okay, this is it, our mustard field. Okay, can't you see? It's turned into a big forest, and now we are going to clean up this. And here we got wait. Okay, here we got this Jima bridge. We keep our bridge up to this much. It's very difficult to climb. We keep for a mat. A kalmok na dinga khata hi bridge. Kating chuma check lekha kating de. One row is missing. After a village kachikal, one row is missing. I don't know who took it. Anyway, I'm gonna show you another one. And here also, as we can see, here our bridge is missing, and this part also missing, and this row also missing, and these are also arranging new. I don't know why, because I have 2 port. They don't see me as human, I guess. Anyway, I'm gonna show you our mango again. Okay, this is our mango, and this and missing. It's missing. Cho hope do le le nhiều hay hope mà, but mi anh ấy tuồng đầu lại vật lạ vật niệm thì chú a Christian sa khoa đình có chú mail hơi lo mà cô religion đang tên là group lệ bằng khát rồi group lệ chắc thì họ về lại chú phản lâu về có hiểu mail hơi po. Anyway yêu chú Christian thì hiểu là hiểu chú gol tung chú cái show off này po mà lấy chú gol tung na lai hi hay thì na đừng ngủ cái gen so hin tiền. It's okay. Apulele cho tulam de so, but apulele bang macam do. Khok lo pi. Icheng cho ta so. This our bridge are missing. That's all. And as you can see, a lot of greens surrounded by our house. We are going to clean it. Jole ma, full tha. Jole ji ki sik ve ke cho. Tonight cái xí lệ chúng tôi lệ kiểu cái tung ngô ha là cái sự sâu gì cái hi that because of the thief we don't want to leave our home alone. Need to 2 weeks I guess. 2 weeks nu si kali za cho mang thế cho tha khat bang ki nu si le so cái in zo si cái in ni cho ki go jing hi mom Christmas hovel kachikalo holiday mang kachikalo ho đi về thum về làm cái cuối ta cho cả anh làm cọt hồi khen hong mà tắm pi văn mang khop chung chim ta. Anyway, we are going to clean up this side and I'm gonna show you back side again. This part I already clean.
Okay, this is my beans and leng masel.
All our kitchen turned into a kitchen garden in a kitchen garden turned into a huge forest. Let's clean up right now. Okay, let's start cleaning. We're going to clean up all this, okay?
Okay, let's start cleaning up. Okay, now we are done with cleaning up. And this is my bean. We got one beans. This is chili. This is leng masel. And this is my lettuce. Grow up fast. Okay, let's plant this lettuce near to our family members. Okay, done with planting. Then we'll go to the front side of our house.
Here we are. I don't know where to start and where to end. My little forest. Page from Potaima. Okay, let's start here. Bộ đó cho nó bị gô gió khay khẩn vì chỉ ăn ninh lắm không có bỏ lệ i bỏ cho cái bằng khẩn đấy ấy lệ ăn nông làm cái xe xong cái chal chuồn ngày nằm sẽ that's your price. It's easy to pluck out because the rain falls in the morning, so it's very easy to pull them out. thì bỏ lẽ là hình ngôm đầu được sao chính tăng lâu thỏ lại ạ bằng nghe nghe không để sự bộ bộ này vậy thu viện hay thì đầu được không chính tăng lâu thâu mi bằng giật liếm vang rồi chính tăng lâu thâu chỉ lại thôi chỉ tiêu chính tăng lâu thâu có thể phát sinh hệ viện này tiêu ta mà cái bận tay ở cái gì lên thành chính tăng lâu sẽ đây bữa tùy lâu họ lên mà thì cái gì lại tiêu cái bài lăng không hay ha cuối cùng con dâu này tìm ra cái bữa thịt bội lại hàm hết rồi thân ôn thâu nào hết nhẹ thể thì lèo bằng kẹt tam kẹt điều ấy if they are eatable they wouldn't grow again they are not eatable so many are having we got a huge one here ball đi hello thế ha nhưng tổng cái ball đang pin cả giấc mơ ở chỗ Australia mi đã giấc này ạ cái chuyện chứ mà sao cái ball lại tạ ta luôn ấy lẽ cái lìa xe mấy sao á why somebody put tail put malo gì kiểu trực tệ lắm wow Mount Everest bắt đầu bay đi tao cả hầm xe lụt đi ho couple tail couple malo tôi sẽ xin lỗi anh anh thấy sẽ cần lên đón xia mà sẽ mù anh xin lỗi bởi nghe cái gì vô sự người là sợทีมสัตว์ตลกนะมันสักแล้วจะแค่ทีมเท่ามั้งทีมแล้วจงสักกิจเดียวซะกิจสักเลยอันบันฮอลเลยวะ so let me stop singing and do my work okay ก็วิดีโอเศร้าตัวที่มั้งก็ใจรถพันเลยวิดีโอมันขัดมันเก็บจากคลิปไหมก็ตัววิดีโอ off ก็ตินthen after almost done ตักเวลเขาก็ตุ้งพัดเลย I'm gonna try it again okay this is it ก็กองนับปันไตกี่ปันไนโล now we are up to this คือกิมตาตานี่ก็กองบ่งวางๆตา still very many happening thọ dịch vụมันเลยยิงมันตาค่ะเยอะจุดพวกหัวให้จังบ่ขุดลงสิปลูกดึกสิ Okay, we are finishing cleaning up this. My body are eating right now because eating warm are so many. Anyway, let's stop for today, and I'm gonna continue tomorrow again this different part because it's raining. So if you like my vlog, please give a thumbs up, thumbs down, thumbs up, no problem. And I'm so tired. Bye for now. Like pyramid right now. I'm gonna show it, okay? I'm so tired. This is it, the pyramid. Done. If we're like a body that side, I'm gonna clean up that side tomorrow. Okay, then for today, it's not an easy walk. And our beautiful home. Let's chill for a while. Oh, it's raining. Rainfall. After cleaning up my kitchen garden, now I have to get water again. This fresh water from the rain. So let's see. I walk. Oh, vàng phải ôm tay. Cái này tiêu chú. Rồi dừng.